If you struggle to make money on your investment since 2020, there's 10 reasons that you should know about because it's actually been super crazy. Listen on in. And then let's have a look at what's going to happen in the future because I'll explain to you exactly 10 things. Number one, largest pandemic for 100 years. Second, you saw America at $4 trillion. Okay, that has an effect on the world. And of course, that, number three, reduced interest rates to zero in America and minus interest rates in Europe. Never been seen anything like it. Then number four, you've then seen the fastest increase in interest rates ever now in the last 12 months. Number five, you've seen inflation, now the highest it's been for 40 years. Number six, this is the closest we've ever been to World War III. Of course, that again has been a concern to the markets. Number seven, you've seen oil prices. They went actually to zero on the futures market. And the reason for that was there was actually too much oil. Okay, to a situation where there's a shortage of oil and now it's got up to $100, back down again to 80, but it's been crazy in the energy market. Number eight, you've seen the biggest crypto bear market ever. Number nine, you've got a record amount of debt on credit cards. It's over 900 billion is owed on credit cards. Add to that, you've had a banking crisis and you've had the second biggest banking crisis in the US. So there's 10 things in there that have been super crazy. And if you manage to keep your wealth during that period, you've done well. Most people have seen, unfortunately, slightly negative returns. So we look at the future, what's going to happen? Well, of course, now we've got a situation whereby stock now have come right back down again. Is there a recession? Yes. Is it going to be bad? Okay, that's what the market doesn't quite know yet. So we got volatility to come. Okay, but don't forget, whilst we've had so many things happen and you've come through those things, you need to keep your optimism because if you're not careful, you can be going, okay, what's next? What's the next biggest problem? Okay, well, actually, there's been so many. At some stage, we get through this and we actually get some fantastic returns. So always remember that when you're investing, you've actually got to be investing and looking at a longer term period. Returns will come, stock will recover, bond markets will actually recover. In fact, in some areas they already are. We'll actually see some great returns from the investment. Right now, it's still time to be vigilant. Why? Okay, we've still got some turbulence in the market. We need a recession. Why? Everybody's been talking about it. Okay, it's coming. All right, let's get it over and done with and let's not make it a bad recession. We've still got economies on fire. We've still got wage inflation. It's going to drop quickly, that wage inflation. Inflation's going to drop quickly. Okay, and as soon as the market spot that, they can see the light at the end of the tunnel, then you're actually going to get the returns. And that's why it's important to stay in the market because all of a sudden you'll actually get those returns. Keep smiling. It has been a crazy 3 years. Okay, but I promise you, don't look for more issues. We might have some volatility in there, but ultimately we come through it from an investment point of view and there will be good returns. So don't be out of the market because when it goes up, it often goes up very, very quickly. Have a good one. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like and share the video.